Hello everyone, welcome to the Razor Company YouTube channel. Stay tuned because we're gonna have a great shave with Elevation by BBS Soaps. Alright, my name is Lubo. You may know me from the Shave and Tell Instagram and YouTube channel. I'm happy to record another video for TRC, and for today I decided to choose a Greek artisan BBS soaps over here, and this, as you can see on the label, is Elevation. This one over here is using the Kronos base, Kronos 2.1. Probably went through a few iterations, and spoiler alert, that base feels really good on your skin. There are a lot of good ingredients. It's a beef tallow base. Some of the kind of like important things to highlight, aside from all the skin food goodness here, there is duck fat as well, buffalo milk, so a lot of good stuff. I don't know if you'll be able to read through the small font, but if you're interested to check the ingredients, here they are. Okay, and I have the ladder already prepared in my ceramic bowl, and here I use a Semogue. I think this was the Pegasus premium Boar brush. I got it from TRC some time ago. Wonderful Boar brush. Doesn't require much to get it going and to do the initial break-in. You just start shaving and it's already soft and feels good on the skin. As you can see, we have gorgeous shiny lather, and this base can take quite a bit of water. Here for this lathering I added maybe 2 times or maybe a little bit more than 2 times the amount of water that I usually use, so it's extra hydrated. I'm gonna prepare my face and we're gonna start the shave going. Okay, as I'm lathering, I'm gonna talk about the scent notes of this soap. The base feels really good on the face when you brush the lather. It's just one of these lathers that feels pleasant and luxurious, and your skin is gonna be happy after this shave. So, the scent notes. This one is very fresh and pleasant. It's very refined type of a scent profile, nicely blended, and it's not really punching hard with scent strength, but it's fresh, it's clean, and it's quite unique to my nose. I haven't smelled any other aroma that captures the same profile. Let's go over the scent notes and I'm gonna dive into my impression. The scent notes of Elevation: top we have green notes and clary sage. For the middle we have pine. The base we have cedar, sandalwood, vetiver and amber. And as you read through it, you expect to be really getting a lot of green and woody notes, and they are there, but they kind of like hide behind that clean, slightly sweet aroma that kind of like resembles some milky association. I cannot explain it. Almost like a lightly sweet milky dessert, if that makes sense. There is something gourmandy for me, but very pleasant, perfect for spring weather. I see it working well for the summer as well. I really like that, and to me personally, I really enjoy using this one for evening shaves because it's something that it's pleasant, relaxing, and it's not really punching you in the face with strong scent. So it's really, really nice. Let's talk about the razor. For today, I'm gonna use Karve Bison over here. I'm so happy that I was able to grab one. This is the limited edition run for Never Alone 4 from last year. And you can see the Razor Company logo. Wonderful razor, always delivering great shaves, one of my favorites. I reach to it quite frequently. And without further ado, let's go for the first pass. Here I have Gillette Silver Blue loaded. And the gliding with the slickness that this soap provides is just excellent. At the time of the recording, the razor company just restocked quite a few new sets from BBS Soaps, so it's worth checking them out. I'm not sure if this one is back in stock. When I got mine, I think that it sold out within a day or two after it was added. But I'm sure that Jason will restock some of the sold out some of the sold out soaps, because they kind of like flew off the shelf, I guess. Quite popular. Yeah, sometimes when they're European soap makers and they reach North America, they get a lot of attention, and I think that this is the case with BBS soaps. Okay, excellent first pass. Really nice residual slickness, and as I mentioned, the skin feels good. This is not my first shave with this soap, so I know how it feels and all the good benefits for the skin. Okay, second pass, cross the grain. The Bison is such a pleasant razor to use. And I love this color combination. Very good. It's a really nice aromatherapy with this soap. Okay, time to rinse the face. Let's prepare the face for the third and final pass. As I mentioned earlier, this brush feels really good. Semogue brushes uh, seem to be excellent choice for Boar knots. Everybody that I know and have one is really happy with it. That goes for me as well. Just a light coating for the third pass. With the residual slickness of this soap, you don't really need much. And the good thing about BBS soaps is that they have multiple bases. One of the new releases on the TRC website is with their other beef tallow base, Hermes, and I think that they released the second iteration of it. I have another soap here with the first one, and I'm really happy with that base. So I may end up grabbing one of the Hermes 2.0 soaps that they released. It's just good stuff for your skin and provides very nice performance. Excellent. Perfect. BBS with BBS Soaps. Very nice shave. I'm gonna rinse the face and move to the post shave. Very nice. And as I mentioned, the post shave feel with all the nice ingredients from the soap base. It's really nice. The skin feels moisturized, hydrated, even before applying the aftershave splash. But it's time for the matchy splash here, elevation. So the splash is alcohol and witch hazel based, so it's covering everyone's needs, I guess. There's some of us that like alcohol splashes, some of us like witch hazel. I like both, so that's perfect. Good skin food ingredients. I don't know if you can see on the bottle, but it's a little bit milky, kind of like mixture. Giving it a nice shake. And yeah, the smell is so good. That freshness and the green notes are a bit stronger in the splash, but don't worry, it's not an overpowering pine or green notes or woody smell. It's just freshness and cleanness with this one. And the post-shave feel from the splash is also amazing. Doesn't dry the skin. The skin feels very pleasantly hydrated as well, so the alcohol shouldn't really concern you. So let's go over everything that we used today. For the razor, I used my Bison, the Never Alone edition. I really love this razor, excellent performer, and as I mentioned, limited edition, so this color combination is no longer available, which makes it a little bit more special for me. The Semogue Pegasus, I believe, Boar bristle brush. Not sure if they're back in stock. They sold out when I picked this one, but please check. I'm sure that Jason will keep them up to date. And for the soap and splash, today we had Elevation from BBS Soaps. There was a new drop at the time of the recording, so new sets that previously were not available are in stock at TRC, so make sure to check them out. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for joining me for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay safe.